your conductor in training. I do have Tony with me. She's helping me learn. And up front, I have Kaylee, our engineer. Before we get going, I have a few rules to go over. 1, remain seated for the entire ride. 2, keep your head, hands, arms, legs, feet, trunk, tail, everything inside the train at all times. 3, if you have any open food or drinks, please try to close those up before we're heading out. I'm going to do a quick safety check, and then we'll get going. Coming up on our right is Primate Panorama, home to most of our monkeys, apes, and lemurs. Over to the right, you'll see our black and white colobus monkeys. And when you see the waterfall running next door, it usually means you'll see our lemurs out on the island. Also in Primate Panorama is home to our new orangutan. Just got named Rambutan, and his mom, Hesty. As we come around this curve, on our right is our large aviary, home to our 2 Andean condors, Andy and Avita. Andean condors are the largest birds of prey in the world. They also have a wingspan of up to 10 feet and can live up to 75 years. As we make our way around the corner, on our right is Down Under, an area which features our animals from Australia, New Zealand, and Papua New Guinea. While visiting, be on the lookout for Marshmallow, our albino wallaby, who has become a zoo favorite. You might also see a few joeys in and out of pouches. On our left, we have Wild Village, a new play area for kids that opened last year. You will also see our conservation carousel. It's a very important part of Denver Zoo, as all ticket proceeds go towards conservation efforts around the globe, from Peru to Rwanda and right back here in Colorado, where we help protect North American bison and the pika.
Back there show that they can jump 20 I've seen videos.
Over to the right, through the bushes, you might be able to see our 2 cassowaries. Neville, our male, and Salem, our female. Females tend to be larger than the males. They are also the 3rd heaviest bird behind the ostrich and our close living relative to the dinosaur. Make sure we keep our arms inside of the train, please. As we come around the corner, if you look to our right, you might get a glimpse of our Rocky Mountain Bighorn sheep up on the mountain. We have 2 new lambs who were born in May. They've been running up and down that mountain. Just got names named Indigo and Saffron. forward train is moving.
Yeah. Is that all right?
As we approach the depot, I'd like to thank you for joining us today, and I hope you had a fun time riding the train. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop and our engineer Hema rings that bell. There's that bell. Please exit to your right, watch your head and your step.